Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Welcome back to Toyeen Talks. To all our beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we are happy to you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. In the comment section, please note the derogatory comments. Thank you all for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
Hold on, sir.
Who released the press release 2 weeks ago? Who?
The DPP now, the Attorney General. Sorry, the Attorney General.
You are getting it wrong now. Attorney General of Lagos State is different from DPP now.
The press release that was released 2 weeks ago, they shouldn't have even released that with the case of Smith and Bankole against Lagos State and the magistrate Shotobi, because those are the two respondents.
No. Here you are getting it wrong. One thing you need to understand
you are the one that is not getting it wrong.
Wait,
you go
Madam
ahead.
Aries, calm down. Listen to me. The Attorney General was given a report to mark his 1 year in office. And he was given an update of various cases, which the case of Mohbad is one of them. The Attorney General of Lagos State did not call for press briefing solely because of this case. No, it is his 1 year in office. The press were there, questions were being asked and everything, and he gave answer in generality. So it was not because of this case. So people should not like make it look as if like, oh, the Attorney General released the statement.
No, you are completely wrong. Don't let me say you are completely wrong. But the thing is, when you want to give a case, General, but he said everything was already submitted. They have it. They don't even have Baba's autopsy and toxicology. Why will they proceed to give charges? This is what we question. This is what Bankole and Smith are questioning also. Because they're not supposed to, today is not even supposed to happen. Today was not supposed to happen.
Supreme. Oh yeah, wait, let me ask you a simple question. Who exactly is the prosecutor today in court? Is it the police? Is it the DPP? Who exactly is the prosecutor? Who invited Spending, Nurse, and everybody? Who took them to court? Who charged them to court today? On what basis were they charged to court today?
Okay, you asked a lot of questions. Let me ask, who took them to court? Everybody went respectively with their lawyers on their own private car. Nobody.
At least before you will go to court, I cannot just wake up and go to court now. I would have been summoned.
The question, you are interjecting it again. I don't know how I'm going to ask it.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay, everybody went to court separately with their lawyers. They all went there. The judge that was supposed to be sitting today is the Olatubosun, who was absent today. The prosecuting, I believe, was the DPP.
No. Don't tell me I believe. Be factual. 100%. It is not I believe or I think.
DPP. Department of the Public Prosecutor, that's the one that went there. And they have a file with them. So the judge was not on seat. They could not read it.
Madam Aries, I'm so sorry to let you know, the DPP cannot charge anybody in magistrate court. It is the High Court.
They are not charging.
So what exactly is the DPP doing at the magistrate?
Their advisory file. This is who they're advising. That probably this advisory is the judge that we charge.
So what you are saying does not even work like that. I don't understand. Like the DPP wants to advise. They are giving what advice? Then they will invite the old suspects. Then they will give the advice to them. Like who exactly are they advising? Is it the suspects or the police or the prosecutors? What you are saying, like I'm telling you, like legally what you are saying.
You are confusing it. Calm down. You need to calm down.
I'm calm.
You need to calm down. You are not calm.
I'm calm.
Do you know? Hold on. Do you agree they were in court today? Or
yes, I agree with you 100%.
Or are you with Pantagora that said they only went there to, nobody was there, it's for something else?
I agree with you 100% that they were in court today. 100%. I agree with you.
And did you listen to the press
What
release?
you are reading for me is press release. Anybody can go to court and write anything. I've seen the likes of Westo go to court, listening to another thing, come outside and say any other thing.
Press release is from Punch.
I don't care about Punch. Punch has given so many misleading statements. The same Punch that wrote some months ago that Mohbad was stabbed.
Hold on 1 second. You are not relaxed. It was this the same Punch that wrote what the Attorney General said, right? So
Okay.
Can we now assume that if you don't believe that the Punch mislead people, should the message or the press release concerning the Attorney General, was it a misleading information?
It might be, yes. It might be.
It's let's close the case. Then there's nothing to talk about. Let's all wait for tomorrow. Is going to be another interesting day. Smith,
now you are talking.
Hold on, sir.
So don't let us jump the gun. Don't let us jump the gun.
Because you see, this is what I don't like. When it comes to you, you pick and choose.
What
I just told you something. I said, did you believe the press release? You said anybody can write anything. You don't believe it. They give you misleading information. So yes. I don't know where to go and how to go about it with both of you anymore. You believe there was something today. He does not even believe there was anything today. He has no clue about it. And I was trying to explain.
Wait, Supreme, can you just give me 1 minute? Listen to me. What I'm saying is this. In a sense, it's this.
Chairman,
like
come
this
up.
level,
Chairman, come up if you want to.
This level that we are now, you understand? I think on this old case, after 1 year, we should be over and above. I think, I hope, I assume. No, anything anybody wants to say should be 100% factual. You understand? What I'm telling you is, as of today, even based on the Punch report you read or anything, you are not sure or 100% sure of what the suspects were invited to the court for, what they were summoned for, who is prosecuting them, what they were charged for, or anything.
Why are you saying I'm not sure? I just told you everything and you are going back to it.
You did not tell
one
me.
Thing is, okay,
what you are telling me.
Why do you think they were in court today if there was nothing going on? Give me from your own knowledge and wisdom. Okay, why or what reason do you think they will be in court today? Please go for it.
Listen to me. What I said is this: they were in court today. For the reason why they are in court today was not even stated in the press release of Punch. You don't know. You are not sure. You cannot 100% say like, oh, this is the reason the old suspect, because if the names mentioned or listed in the press release of Punch, which is the nurse, Spending, Prime Boy, these were all the suspects being listed by the police from the beginning of this old case. So now what I'm saying is this: we don't even know what they were summoned for, because if they've not been summoned, the nurse would not have gone there with a lawyer, Spending would not have gone there with his lawyer, Prime Boy would not have gone there with his lawyer. So it simply means they went there for a purpose. So now we should not just come online and start assuming this thing sell like this one go this way, this one go this way. Why not maybe like speak directly with maybe the legal advisor of any of those suspects who were in court today, so that they can give proper clarification, not just depending on the press release of Punch alone and giving government an association over it.
I am very happy that you are at least halfway. You've crossed, how will I put it? You've passed the level of Pythagoras, because he is on the opinion that they went on their own, not related to Mohbad's case. So you have crossed that part. Okay. So if this is a 400 meters, I think you are 200. He is still at the starting point, because
don't abuse anybody.
It's not an abuse. I'm just trying to understand it. It's not an abuse. I'm using an illustration because it's easier for me to explain that way. Now that you are at this point, you know that something happened today and these people's lawyer were there for a purpose. Your question to me now is, why were they there? For what purpose? Have they been charged? And I told you why they were there. It was a 9 o'clock sitting. I was getting information why they were there. We've been here now almost 6 hours. And I was reading it that the DPP have submitted his advisory file. They were supposed to read everything today. And from the intel, we know, according to what you said, I didn't even see the paper you were referring to, because the one I see, I didn't see spending and the nurse. So we were expectant that today they will spending and Prime Boy will be remanded. Spending and the nurse rather will be remanded, and that will be the case, because they will be remanded, because they will now be completed and they will be held accountable, or whatever the case may be, and they will be in custody. But that did not happen today, because the judge, Olatubosun, was not on seat, and they have adjourned this case to the February 25. Simple as ABC.
Okay.
And what I'm trying to say in addition is, what I said in addition is, hold on, Chairman, one quick second. What I said in addition now is, I now saw, someone now sent me the paper. I now saw the paper. I now say, wow, this is even Mohbad's ally. Spending raises alarm over alleged prosecution plots. So we all went through it, we read it, and all I'm saying that, oh, this is nice, because even if it is an allegations or no allegations, allegedly, even if it's allegedly or a rumor, for him and his lawyer to raise an awareness, they want to put a plot, it's a public awareness, and we all can cry out and say, no, the inquest is still going on. The inquest is supposed to be going on. The inquest is not concluded yet, and we have a case of Smith and Bankole in court tomorrow, Thursday. Why do you want to do this? And there will be more people, and public cry can halt the process of what Pantagora said, that the DPP has the right to veto anything he can do and undo, which is true. But hey, the sanity and the sanity and the sacredness of the judiciary system or the law should be upheld. Not just because I have the power to do this, I can just do yama yama. No. So if Spending lawyer, with this that he has done, everybody will be talking about it. People will be making calls, and they will call the DPP and the department, and everybody will write their petition, and everything will go and probably we will be able to overturn the DPP's decision to proceed to the High Court without the conclusion of the inquest. Thorough conclusion, because I think Baba Mohbad said it on Sunday that his report from the autopsy and toxicology is out, and that should have been at the inquest. They will read it, they will cross-examine it, and do whatsoever they have to do. So I am agreeing with you, Oluwatosin, that the inquest is going on, and we should not proceed with any charges whatsoever. I like that. But Pantagoras told us that the DPP have the power to. We know that. We know that there's nepotism and power past power in Nigeria's law system. But we don't want that. That's what we're saying. So you and I, Arito Oluwatosin, we are on the same page.
Supreme Iron Lady, can I quickly just conclude before I go? So I want to try to understand your point now. So Spending and his lawyer, Prime Boy and his lawyer, the nurse and her lawyer, they were all in the court today for a case we know nothing about, for a case we know what the charges are about. The judge is not there. The prosecuting lawyer is not there. The lawyers to Baba Mohbad.
How did you know the prosecuting lawyers were not there?
Hold on, can I just... Oh, Supreme Lady, please, just give me a minute, please.
Yeah.
Please. The judge, according to you, was not there. The prosecuting lawyer, according to you, you do not know. So it is safe to assume nobody was there. Baba Mohbad, who is an interested party here, was not there with his lawyer. Wunmi, who is an